In this video, I'll show you how to reboot your Hisense Roku TV, okay? If you're having problem with it lagging or if you have other problems with it, it can be solved very easily with a simple reboot that takes just a minute or two, okay? So what you have to do is take your remote control and then press the home button 5 times, the up arrow 1 time, this one, and then the rewind twice, and the fast forward twice. Okay, so I'll do it with you. Oh, by the way, before doing this, nothing will be erased. No apps that you installed here will be erased. Your account information will stay there. So this is just a soft reset. It will just reboot the TV. So let's do it. 5 times the home button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up arrow once. Rewind twice. And fast forward twice. Now I'm not touching anything. As you can see, the TV went a bit crazy during a second, and now it's frozen. It's normal. So you won't be able to access it during at least a minute or two, the time that it will reboot. Okay, so the screen will go off and on again, and then you'll be able to use it. Hopefully this will solve your problem that you're having with your Hisense Roku TV. If not, I always encourage you to simply disconnect once you turn it off, by the way, if this didn't work. Disconnect your Hisense TV from the wall during a full minute, let it sit, and then plug it back. This solves many problems as well. So try these before contacting the customer service or returning the TV or panicking. And in most cases, these 2 tricks will solve your problem. Here we go. By the way, I can now use it back. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like, a comment, and I will see you in the next one.